Are you prepared for a hurricane? Flooding is the biggest threat to life and property. Every year, flooding causes over $3.7 billion in damages. Because water levels can rise quickly, sometimes in minutes. Remember never to walk, drive, or swim through flooded roads. And if you are told to evacuate, then do so immediately. Don't wait for an emergency. Plan for an emergency. Focus USA reminds you of these 3 steps for emergency preparedness. Step 1. Make your family emergency plan. Know how to reach your family. And know your community's evacuation plans and shelter locations. Make sure you have adequate homeowners or renters insurance. Step 2. Build or buy a family emergency kit. Include everything you'll need for up to 3 days for each person in your family. Make sure you pack a go bag with essential items if you need to evacuate quickly. Step 3. Stay informed. Sign up for your local emergency alert apps. And stay tuned to your local stations and smartphone apps. To learn more and support our work, visit focus-usa.org.